Good day. I am Misin Brix Dumikis, and with me is my partner Ashley Mar Udan. Today, we are pleased to present our proposed two-story residential building project. In this presentation, we will walk you through three main components. First, the 3D model of the structure and its key features. Second, the summary of the total project cost. And lastly, the detailed cost breakdown of all materials required for construction. We designed this project with functionality, safety, and cost efficiency in mind while complying with the National Building Code of the Philippines. On this slide is a 3D visual representation of our proposed residential structure. This model reflects all the overall layout, massing, and the structure of the building from multiple angles, providing a clear view of the structural elements. The total floor area of the building is 180 square meters spread across 2 floors. We made sure to follow the minimum structural requirements as stated in the building code. Each column in the design has a prismatic size of 350 by 350 millimeters, ensuring sufficient strength to support vertical loads. The beams are sized at 250 by 300 millimeters, which offers a balance between structural integrity and cost efficiency. The dimensions are optimal for a residential building of this size and layout. The design aims for a clean, modern aesthetic while also being structurally sound and cost-effective. We focus on achieving a livable, comfortable space with efficiency material use and structural layout. Moving on the cost estimate, the total project cost for the construction of this two-story residential building is 3,082,541 in Philippine peso. This cost includes all construction materials, labor, and necessary finishes, and was calculated using the local market prices. We ensured to account for all major components, foundation works, structural framing, wall finishes, plumbing, and electrical systems. With a total floor area of 180 square meters, the unit cost per square meter comes out at 17,123 in Philippine peso. This is considered a competitive and realistic cost for this type of residential structure.
For the footing, we computed the total volume with 10% allowance factor. We used Max Fajardo's estimate as our reference for solving the total number of bags of cement and total volume of gravel and sand. For the reinforcement, we solved it through RCDC software. After solving the values for each material, we multiplied the unit price to the quantity of material to estimate the total cost of materials on footing. For the column, beam and slab, we did the same procedure of estimating the total cost of material the same as the footing. But the only difference is the allowance factor used. In footing, we used 10% allowance factor. But in column, beam and slab, we used 5% allowance factor. This is the total breakdown of cost for column. This is for the beam. And this is the total cost of slabs on all floors. That is all for our presentation. Thank you for watching.